Hi everyone, I am Jitendra. Today I am going to deliver a few words about data science and its applications. First of all, we need to know what is data science, right? So let's begin it. Data science is nothing but it's a technology in which we take a large amount of input from data sets and we draw some meaningful conclusions from it. So, for example, we have a student's data set or any Titanic data set from Kaggle, etc. So, we have data sets like this. So, we use them to draw some meaningful outputs like prediction of rainfall, etc. So these are some uh, inputs and outputs. So we'll go through some applications also. Data science is a new arriving technology in this era. So it has many applications in many sectors like healthcare, IT, and education, etc. So today I am focusing on healthcare sector. In healthcare sector, data science has many applications. Do you know one thing? Uh, every human body generates 2 terabytes of data per day. So to handle such a large amount of data, we should use some tremendous technology. So I am choosing data science. So using this data science, we have many uses. Like using this, we can detect many symptoms of diseases, and also we should handle such a large amount of data of patients, hospitals, and information about the patients. And also we can detect the new diseases like we have corona. So in this way, we are going to use data science in healthcare sector. First, we should know what is the process of data science, right? So I'll explain it. We have four-step process: data collection, data analysis, training model, and here we predict the values, and also we can get some meaningful outputs. In this visualization also, this is the process of data science. So if we want to build anything, we should follow these steps. In healthcare sector, we have many applications like we can use in finance, means billing sector, and also then patient details, and also their information. We'll take an example. For example, we'll take a patient data set like how many members got which disease. So patient name, age, and the disease. Some exposure, immunity of 21 and 36, and person A got X disease, and person B got some Y disease. So if you want to classify how many members got X disease and how many members got Y disease, we can use data science to reduce our time, because it can take this task in 2 to 3 minutes. But if we do manually, it may take a lot of time. So we can use this easily. Coming to data analysis part, we can reduce the data by removing all the null values and preparing the data. In training model, if you want to predict anything or if you want to classify anything like this, we can use some ML algorithms for training the data. And at last, in outputs and visualization, we can use some Seaborn and etc. for visualizing the data. Now, mainly in the healthcare sector, data science is evolving a lot. This is the part of data science. Now, I'm going to explain the applications of data science in healthcare in detail. So, I'll take my laptop and I'll share my screen and I'll explain in detail. Before going to that, we should know means how it is used in healthcare. So further, I'll say some points. It may be used in financial, means how they collect money and what is the income they get. And then in next part means what are the patient details and what are the diseases entering into the society. And they collect different kind of informations from different people. So with the use of this, we can do many things. Means it has many uses in healthcare. So now let's go in detail. Welcome back, guys. As I said that I'll show some uses and applications of data science in healthcare. These are some applications. Means how it will be applied in healthcare. The first point is using wearables data to monitor and prevent health problems. Means we should take good input of data. Like as I said, the amount of data that human body generates daily equals to 2 terabytes. So, in that advances, we should take data science in a serious issue. So, means the data may have heart rate, sleep patterns, blood glucose, stress levels, and etc. etc. So, we should take a good amount of input and we can use that for our meaningful classifications or outputs. Okay. And also here they mentioned that 6 million people suffer sudden heart stoppages in the US every year. This means they have many problems in the heart issue. So to overcome that, this data science may help by observing their health, and it can provide some good answers further. Okay. Then we have improving diagnostic accuracy and efficiency. Means uh, nowadays doctors are very less and the patients are increasing. So for every medical checkup, the time they spend is a lot. So there is a wastage of much time and their health is decreasing in their way, time wastage. So to overcome that, this data science also can participate in diagnostic and it can reduce the time and it improves accuracy. Okay, and we can use this as a good one for this. And then turning patient care into precision medicine means it can give some good medicine. It can suggest some medicines by observing the previous data. Here they said that the core premise of precision medicine is that the integration of genetic information, EMR, and the rich dynamic phenotypic information will enable sophisticated patient segmentation, revealing biological distinct subgroups, and pointing the way to precisely targeted treatments. Means it can observe the data and it can predict some good medicines for them. Means it can suggest some good thing, good, what can I say is curing, good cure for them. Next, advancing pharmaceutical research to find cure for cancer and Ebola. Means it can cure, means they are using these data science for curing cancer and Ebola also in pharmaceutical research. It means it is mostly used in research. So this is a major turnover, and also it can be used for developing drugs like BPM 31510, which detects and triggers natural health of cells damaged by disease. Like this, we have many uses. And also, if you see here, Atomwise, an artificial intelligence technology startup, has recently shown some advances in search for Ebola cure. Means they already started it. So this is working in real life also. So data science is plays a major role in this healthcare sector. Then optimizing clinical performance through actionable insights means it can also observe the data which was there taken from the patients, and it can give some useful inputs, useful outputs, not inputs. Okay, it can give some by using some ML algorithms, it can build a model, and using that, it can give some useful outputs. So with that, the patient can uh, know what is going on to him, and etc. Then taking the risk out of prescription medicine. So, means nowadays some are using the medicine by their without any prescription, but here also using this data science without any doctor prescription, we can use it by its data science prediction. So it can prescribe a medicine for us. So it takes a major means we no need to go to doctor for medicine also. It can give by observing the health issues and the what is the growth in the disease. Okay. Next, reducing hospital uh, readmissions to cut healthcare costs. So means how many are admitting again and again. It can cost the it can cut the healthcare costs also. In this way, it has many applications in healthcare sector. Next, if we go to healthcare data scientist, he has some skill set, right? So we'll check that what are the main skills he need and what are the things. Okay. Once you check here, dimensionality detection means he should be able to process the data. Means he should cut the null values and also improve the data by removing some null values and changing categorical to numerical values. We have those kind of things. Next, we have to build some models, means using ML algorithms, right? So those are supervised machine learning. Like we should build some models using, and we should classify the patients with those models. And the next, time series analysis, hospital management, forecasting the growth in a certain healthcare sector. And we have NLP also, disease prediction, forecast of disease complications. These are some skill set which healthcare data scientist should have. Okay. Next, healthcare specific skills. These are the specific skills in which most of them should be used. Medical coding, classification systems, analysis of patient reports, billing operations, means this comes under somewhat finance and other things other than health. Healthcare databases, drug, is used for drug research and developments. How many days the disease is existing in the body? More like that, we from that we can use a drug. It can be used for drug research, and these are some dimensional direction and number of words. See here, this is the classification. This is a visualization for classification. How the model can classify the data. You can see here. The green part is of a group of patients of a single disease, and these plus marks are for another disease. So this can be classified by using any ML algorithm. Like we have classification, we can use a random forest classifier or any ML algorithm. Next, we have regression. This is simple linear regression. In this, it forms a line and it predicts a new output for a patient. Means it can be used for treating a patient. Okay. Next, the unsupervised learning. In this, it can be classified into clusters, and the patient will be grouped into that cluster. Means a disease. Okay. The next, time series analysis and NLP. These are the things which I prepared to say you, and by this you can know that how data science is playing a major role in healthcare sector. So this is my thing, and thanks for this opportunity, and thank you guys for listening my video.